How did you get that job?
Through a guy that I met that was belonged to the laborers union, and told me that if I went down and got a card, well, I could get a job up there.
You know, when you say got a card, what does that mean to someone who's never been in a union?
A union card.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you recall the name of the union?
Well, it was not exactly, but it was a part of a labor union.
And do you know if it was the...
It seemed like it was. I'm not quite sure.
Did you join that union?
Yes.
How long were you a member of that union that we don't know yet, but we're trying to figure out what it was?
About 2 years.
Okay. Did they find you jobs other than this first job at the...
No.
Okay. How long do you think you worked at...
Approximately 2 years.
Now, was that a new facility, or was it under construction, or had it been in place for a while?
It was a new facility they were building.
And were you involved in the construction of that facility?
Yes.
And what role did you play in that construction?
We, laborers, we were just doing the cleanup for all the crafts, and we cleaned up a lot of insulation from the insulators.
Okay.
And I recall that, and but it was just a really cleanup to keep the place clean, where the crafts could go about their work without stumbling over things.
Was there ever a point in time that the facility was fully online while you were still working there?
No.
So it didn't finish building when you were there?
No.
Okay. Other than work as a general laborer, did you have any other tasks like machinery work?
No.
You didn't do any of the work that you described earlier as work on pumps or valves, that sort of thing?
Oh, no.
So you were just cleaning up?
Right, yes.
People were telling you where to go and that sort of thing, and you did it?
That's it.
Was it this facility, was your work primarily in an enclosed indoor area, or was it outdoors?
Over the ground.
And his objection was that it was overly broad.
Oh, it was mostly indoors, but, you know, the building was wide open, but it was all inside the big boiler that came down through the middle of the building that they were building. And that's where we were cleaning up on each level. We had a crane there that was bringing a big box up and down, and we threw all the trash and stuff in, and it was hauled away.
During that period of time that you were working on the construction of the power facility, did anybody ever tell you that you were working with materials that might have been comprised in part of asbestos?
No.
Did you know that some of the materials were asbestos when you were working on it?
Yeah, I think I knew that some of the stuff was asbestos.
How do you think you came about that knowledge?
Well, just seeing it and knowing it was insulation. I don't know how I would have come about it, except just observing and listening.